Okay, so now that we got the hang of sorting one column at a time, I want to introduce to you a multi-level sort, meaning sorting multiple columns at the same time. In the previous video, we sorted by last name alphabetically, and we also sorted the cells column from largest to smallest. Let's say that we want to sort by the last name first, and then sort the cells from largest to smallest, but keep the names in alphabetical order. The best way to explain it is to actually do it. So to start off, we need to go to our Data tab, and then click our Sort command. Excel automatically selects our data, and then if we come down to our Sort dialog box, the first thing that we want to sort by is the last name. So we can click this drop down and select last name. And once again, I wanted to point out the importance of having column headers because as you see here, our sorting options are based on our column headings. So we are telling Excel which columns to sort. So our first sort is going to be by last name, and then we're going to select A to Z for ascending or alphabetical order. And then to sort by the cells, we can click Add Level, then By, and we can use the drop down to select cells, and then we can change it to largest to smallest, or however you want to sort. And if we click OK, now all of our last names are sorted alphabetically, and our cells are sorted largest to smallest. But if we just take a look at the A's, we can see that Adam's largest cell was $4,819 and Adam's lowest cell was $787. And then when it gets to the B's, the cells column gets sorted largest to smallest just for the B's, then the D's and E's and so on. So we just completed a multi-level sort. And Excel allows us to sort up to 64 levels. Now more than likely you would never sort that many levels, but the important thing I want to get across is that we can apply multi-level sorting to our data to make it easier to analyze and pinpoint the data that we are looking for.